Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 2nd of April, 2019. We have survived the first day of the quarter and April Fool's Day. Hope you had a great day. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. We're new highs for the last 6 months or so. Not quite new highs for the markets yet. Hanging out up in those highs. Is it really going to hold? We'll see what happens. But it was a very uneventful day because most of it was the gap up, and then we were just dead sideways after that. Here's a look at, let's go through the major indices. So crude oil up 19 cents. New highs there for the last 4 months as well. First new high of the year. Gold down $3 exactly, not a big deal. S&P cash gains 32.79, but like I said, a lot of it was a gap early, and then we sat, as you'll see in a minute, and then we kind of went higher. The NASDAQ 100 up 99.65, also not at all-time highs, but near the highs. Certainly at the highs of the year since January 1st. SOX up 34.73. The biotech's up 4.89. Russell 2000 gains 16 points. This is more mid-range for the last 6 months. The VIX down 31 cents to 1390. Remember that 13 buy signal still in place there. The trend at 0.92. 10-day at 1.14. NASDAQ volume 2.2 billion shares. It's actually really light, one of the lighter days we've seen. The up days, the big up days, especially with the gaps, have been light volume. The down days have been heavier. The full trading days to the upside have been so this is not super pretty. NASDAQ volume advanced client ratio plus 1122 on the New York plus 1528. So more stocks up than down for sure. Google gains 22 and change. Apple up $1.29, although it played with negative at one point during the day. Netflix up $10.40. Amazon up $33.44. Tesla up $9.32. Facebook up $2 and a penny. Goldman Sachs up $4.75. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 207. That's a big rollover in the bonds, obviously. Dow was up 329. Let's take a look at the intraday action. Here's the 5-minute chart. So again, we got this gap up, and then look how flat. I mean, this was horrible. Just like Monday was pretty horrible. I mean, overall, the trading was horrible on Monday, and it certainly was horrible here. This is not what we like to see as traders. It's not going to hold. We're going to get some better range at some point in time, but for now, it is what it is. In terms of economic data on Tuesday, we've got durable goods now before the bell, and the total vehicle sales at some point in the afternoon. Still have some other data, including the unemployment rate, coming later this week. But we'll see what we get. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading